Cheers from Sweden and welcome to my channel. In this video I will talk about my 2021 desk setup for my brand new Galaxy Book Pro. The main characters in this little story is my Galaxy Book Pro 13-inch and the 12 South StayGo USB hub. The Galaxy Book Pro because I'm a Samsung dude and I wanted a new laptop that hopefully can last at least 3-4 years or so. And I like the more or less seamless integration between my Galaxy S21 and my Galaxy Book Pro. The StayGo USB hub because of the long included cord that makes things so much easier and nicer. I've tried a bunch of different USB hubs, mainly for use with my Galaxy tabs, but this one works for both the tabs and laptops. I use a Samsung Smart Monitor M5 27-inch that could be used wirelessly as well, but it tends to lag a little bit, so I don't use that feature at all. On the left and right side I have two cheap speakers from a Swedish brand called Anderson. They sound really good for the price and I like the look of them. But I can also use my Galaxy Bud Pro if needed. As for keyboard and mouse, I use a package from Dell. They are not Bluetooth enabled, which is good, since I can use the same keyboard and mouse on many different devices. This setup isn't fancy in any way, but it works, and that is what I'm aiming for. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and stay safe.